Hi everyone, thanks for watching another video from Rising Phoenix Antiques. Today we've got a Willcox and Gibbs, I believe it's called a chain stitch treadle sewing machine. I am actually selling the base, the cast iron base, in a separate listing, but this will come with the anchor bolts to anchor the machine to some type of platform. So this one, you know, it's got some loss of finish in some different spots, but overall it's very nice. A little bit of corrosion on your work platform here, but it's all there, and I got it freed up so it's spinning really nice, and I think it could easily be put back into circulation with just a little bit of cleaning. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that she was indeed spinning without any difficulty. It's nice and quiet, you know, and it actually, you spin it fast enough, it'll go several revolutions on its own. So anyways, that's it. It's all there, and thanks for looking.